For centuries, space was the domain of governments and dreamers. But now, private companies are leading a new era of exploration. These companies are launching satellites, building rockets, and even planning missions to other planets, opening up a new frontier for investors. Rocket Lab USA Inc. stands out in this space race, making launches more accessible for smaller satellites. Think of Rocket Lab as a cosmic delivery service, helping companies get their tech into orbit quickly and efficiently. Its unique approach has made it a key player, and its stock, RKLB, is drawing attention from those betting on the future. But investing in space isn't like buying stock in a coffee shop. The risks are high, the technology complex, and the path to profit is long. In this video, we'll break down Rocket Lab's business, finances, competition, and future plans, so you can decide if it's the right investment for you. We'll look at both the opportunities that could send its value soaring, and the challenges that could keep it grounded. Buckle up for a tour of Rocket Lab, one of the brightest stars in the commercial space age. Let's dive into the science and business behind the rockets. Can Rocket Lab's stock, now around $38, ever hit $1,000 per share? Let's do the math. For that to happen, Rocket Lab's market value would need to reach $470 billion bigger than today's aerospace giants. That would require Rocket Lab to dominate the launch market, win massive contracts, and grow at an unprecedented rate. Most analysts see more realistic price targets between $16 and $40, reflecting optimism, but not science fiction. A 2,700% jump is a moonshot possible, but extremely unlikely. Instead, investors should focus on Rocket Lab's real progress, successful launches, new customers, and the Neutron rocket's development. These are the factors that will drive its value in the coming years. The space launch business is a fierce race, and Rocket Lab faces some heavyweight rivals. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is the market leader with reusable rockets and deep NASA contracts. Virgin Galactic, meanwhile, focuses on space tourism, not satellite launches, so it's not a direct competitor. Arianespace dominates large payload launches in Europe, but Rocket Lab's niche is frequent, dedicated launches for smaller satellites. Rocket Lab's strength? Its Electron rocket's proven reliability, over 67 launches, and its one-stop shop service for building, launching, and managing satellites. Its main weakness? It's not profitable yet, spending heavily to develop the larger Neutron rocket. While the competition is tough, Rocket Lab leads the small satellite market and continues to carve out its own space. Its agility and focus on smaller payloads give it an edge where the giants don't compete. The company's challenge is to maintain this lead as the industry evolves. In this cosmic showdown, Rocket Lab is the nimble contender with big ambitions. The question is, can it keep up the pace? Before investing, it's crucial to know if Rocket Lab is financially healthy. Right now, Rocket Lab isn't profitable. It lost 12 cents per share in early 2025, typical for a fast-growing tech company. The company's spending big on R&D, especially for the Neutron rocket. But revenue is rising up 32% year over year to $122.6 million. Most of that comes from its Space Systems division, which builds satellite parts and manages missions. Debt is low, giving Rocket Lab flexibility to invest in growth. However, it's burning cash to fund future projects, a calculated risk for bigger rewards. The company's backlog, over $1 billion in signed contracts, offers a steady stream of future revenue. Major deals with organizations like the U.S. Space Force add confidence. While not yet profitable, Rocket Lab's growing revenue, manageable debt, and strong backlog point to a promising future. The key turning that growth into sustainable profits. Investors should watch how quickly Rocket Lab can close that gap. Rocket Lab's stock story is a wild ride of highs, lows, and a dramatic comeback. It went public in August 2021 via a SPAC, debuting at around $10 per share. Early excitement pushed the price up, but it soon tumbled, hitting lows near $4.20 as tech stocks struggled. Many investors lost faith, but those who held on, or bought at the bottom, were rewarded. In mid-2024, Rocket Lab's fortunes reversed. Successful launches, big contracts, and Neutron progress fueled a rally. The stock soared over 500% in a year, reaching a new high above $38 in 2025. Some investors saw gains of over 750%. This roller coaster shows the volatility of space stocks. Big risks, big rewards. The lesson patience and a long-term view are essential in this sector. Rocket Lab's story is still unfolding, and the next chapter could be just as dramatic. Are you ready for the ride? Rocket Lab isn't just building rockets for today, it's planning decades ahead. By 2030, the goal is frequent, successful launches of the larger, reusable neutron rocket, opening up bigger markets. By 2040, Rocket Lab aims to be a backbone of the space economy, launching and managing satellite constellations and supporting complex missions. Artificial intelligence will play a key role in making missions smarter and more efficient. By 2050, the vision expands to deep space, building communications networks around Mars and supporting interplanetary science. The company's track record, like its capstone mission to the moon, shows it's already thinking beyond Earth. These ambitions come with huge challenges, high costs, tough competition, and technological hurdles. But a bold vision attracts talent and investment, fueling innovation. Rocket Lab's roadmap is about more than rockets, it's about shaping humanity's future in space. That's the story investors are buying into. Investors often wonder, does Rocket Lab pay dividends? The answer: no. Unlike mature, profitable companies, Rocket Lab reinvests every dollar into growth, developing rockets, building launch pads, and expanding its capabilities. Dividends are for stable, cash-rich companies. Rocket Lab is still in its high-growth phase. It's not a dividend aristocrat. Those are companies that have raised dividends for 25 years straight. Rocket Lab has never paid a dividend, and likely won't for many years. If you want regular income, this stock isn't for you. Instead, investors are betting on future growth and a rising share price. The value here is in innovation and expansion, not steady payouts. For now, Rocket Lab's mission is to build the future of space access. Dividends can wait. If the company succeeds, the real payoff will be in long-term growth. Let's recap the essentials for anyone eyeing Rocket Lab as an investment. Rocket Lab boasts a strong launch record, a billion-dollar backlog, and a diversified business model. But it's unprofitable, spending heavily on the neutron rocket, a high-risk, high-reward bet. The stock is volatile, and much of its future success is already priced in. The neutron rocket's success is the key to unlocking major growth. This isn't a stock for those seeking steady income, it's for patient, risk-tolerant believers in the space economy. The $1,000 share price is a fantasy for now, but Rocket Lab's journey is real, and the future could be out of this world. Are you ready to invest in the next frontier?